This segment is sponsored by New Perspective Financial Solutions. When it comes to life insurance, are you up to speed on all of your options? As you plan for retirement, what do you need to be aware of in terms of life insurance with cash value? Here to answer these questions is Aaron James. Aaron is a financial advisor at New Perspective Financial Solutions, a DC-based firm that focuses on preparing people for a successful retirement. Good to see you. Welcome back.
Thank you so much for having me.
All right, so some of the more updated life insurance policies, can they be used to help get us through retirement?
Absolutely, they can. Historically, a lot of people have had term life policies or whole life policies, which have been on opposite sides of the spectrum.
Okay.
Either very low costing rental policies, which is term and policy insurance, versus whole life, which is a more fixed rate premium that's guaranteed for the rest of your life.
Okay.
So more currently now, we have more hybrid policies that allow people to have more flexibility in their premiums and still have a permanent policy that they can have for the remainder of their lifetimes. So when people have those term policies, they have to really be careful to see when those are going to expire or see when their premiums are going to increase as they have it in their later years in life.
Right. Okay, so when you have cash value life insurance, how does cash value life insurance accumulate in a policy?
So when it comes to the cash value portions, you're paying premiums that make sure that the death benefit stays in place. But in addition to the death benefit, you also have the cash value accumulation portion of your premiums that are now linked to an underlying index that can continue to grow and compound over time. So that as you're approaching your retirement years, you now not only have a death benefit for your beneficiaries,
right,
but you have a cash value portion that's accumulated a lot of interest that you can now access during your lifetime as well.
That's peace of mind right there, right? Because I mean, something's going to come up, right? A health emergency of some point, possibly.
Exactly.
And you can use that cash value part for that?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
So the cash value is actually something you can access during your lifetime, which we now call living benefits.
Right.
Historically, death benefits have only been for your beneficiaries. So people always want to have just either a lifetime lump sum that they want to have for their beneficiaries, or they're looking to have something they can use in their lifetime.
Right.
So that's what a lot of people are now using long-term care insurance policies,
Okay,
where they can now have coverage for terminal illnesses, chronic illnesses, or even modifications that they need to make in their home. So the earlier you're able to start, the better this cash can accumulate outside of your original investments or retirement accounts. This cash value policy now has the ability to leverage a lot of different things in people's lifetime as they get older because they've locked in early on in life.
So when it comes to the policy you select, how do you know what amount is enough?
Finding out what's enough is starting with what's affordable for you. The best way to approach it is, when it comes to these premiums, you want to make sure that it's something that you can afford on a very easygoing basis. Dollar cost averaging when it comes to investments is one way of looking at what you can budget. When you're budgeting and you want to see how much you can set to the side for this premium amount, that's not going to really offset your expenses because there's some flexibility in those payments. However, you want to make sure that it's something that you're not going to really have to think about on an ongoing basis. So that way it can be level and keep paying for many years.
So if somebody comes to you and says, I just want enough money so my family can bury me, what do you say to them about that?
When it comes to that, many people that come into our offices, one of their priorities is generational wealth. And if we're thinking just about burial expenses, then that's really going to not allow the next generation to have any kind of leg up or kind of foundation to go better. So now when we start thinking about how to better influence the next generation, this is one of those policies where not only can it enhance the next generation, but it can also enhance your senior years as well. So we have to be more cognizant of what it is that we're trying to accomplish in our later years,
right,
as we know health concerns are going to come up, and how we can also help the next generation as well.
We want to benefit ourselves, but also our loved ones as well. We can do that. Aaron, thank you so very much. Such great information for you at home if you'd like to learn more about preparing for your retirement. New Perspective Financial Solutions has a great offer. Aaron wants to help protect and continue to grow your money while also helping you create a reliable income stream. So right now, for the first 5 callers with a portfolio of $250,000 or greater, they are offering a complimentary portfolio X-ray and retirement income plan just for you. This will allow the team at New Perspective Financial Solutions to sit down with you personally or schedule a call to make sure you are on the right track for a successful retirement. That number to dial is 240-335-8366. Again, that's 240-335-8366.